Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, the correct server JAR, and a compatible Java runtime. Next, open server. Properties and verify the server IP and server port values. By default, the port is 25,565. Then check that the Minecraft process is running and actively listening on that port using netstat or SS. Once those checks pass, make sure the machine's local firewall isn't blocking the port, because even a running server will refuse connections if packets are dropped at the host level. You now configure the network. Assign a static LAN IP to the server so forwarding remains valid. Then log into the router and create a port forwarding rule for TCP port 25,565 pointed at that static IP. Save and reboot the router if needed. If you have two routers, you're facing double NAT, remove one device or place the upstream router in bridge mode. Also confirm your ISP does not block incoming gaming ports. If it does, request unblocking or use a VPN that supports port forwarding. You finish by testing. Connect from the host, localhost, to confirm the server accepts local connections, then test from an external network using your public IP and port. If it still says connection refused, temporarily disable the host firewall to isolate the issue. If that fixes it, add a permanent allow rule for the server port and re-enable the firewall. Once done, restart the Minecraft server so config and network changes apply. Troubleshooting tip: inspect server. Log for bind errors or permission denials. Those messages pinpoint the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.